See, this is an LCD display. It is showing outflow temperature and humidity. This is a sensor of water level because the floods occur due to the water, and the level of the water can be increased due to the rainfall. So like that it can be used. This is a water level sensor. This is node MCU, which requires a supply through a charger or through a laptop or computer. This is a buzzer which supported resistors and a transistor. These are the three LEDs. When the outflow is medium and low, these two LEDs will be glown. When it is high, this LED will be glown. And this is temperature and humidity sensor DHT level. If you see now, okay, see now it is empty. If I dip this water level indicator into the water, see, like that the three LEDs will be glown. Okay.